So hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Mitti and Kittu, and in this vlog I'll review a Magic Keyboard which is the best alternative to Apple Magic Keyboard. It's DOQO from brand DOQO, imported from US. It's a swiveling aluminium keyboard case. Okay, so now it's time to unbox it. Talking about this one is space gray color. Other color which you have is rose gold. This one is space gray. So lifting it up, you have USB cable for charging, and here is the premium case. It's 700 grams, little bit heavy, but it would make you feel premium. This is model for 11 inches. The cost is same for 11 and 12.6. So this is very premium, and this is very soft rubber protection. This is pure aluminium. Okay, now I'd like to have one user manual with it. Written something which I don't know. Okay, now I'd like to attach my iPad. This is my iPad Pro. जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, मैंने अपने iPad को. So now I have just mounted my iPad Pro on this DOQO Magic Keyboard. This is the floating position. As you can see, it's very easy to connect. You simply have to put the power button, hold the power button for 3 seconds, and it would start. You can see it is showing the percentage. It's 92% charged. This is the Bluetooth. The keyboards are backlit, and as you can see, the cursor. This is the cursor. To switch off, you just have to hold this power button for 3 seconds, and it would get switch off. Other position are, this is floating position. This is normal laptop position. This one is laptop position. This one is 360-degree rotation. You can use it, and you can very easy to attach it. It's very easy to attach. The magnets are powerful. There's a hole for this camera. I put the Apple sticker on it. It's a very premium build. The only thing I didn't like about this is that it's a bit heavier than Apple Magic Keyboard. Thank you. I would recommend this, as this is the best alternative for Apple Magic Keyboard, and it would cost you 10,000 lesser than actual keyboard. Thank you.